हेलो बच्चों, आपका स्वागत है नया स्टडी क्लास में। आज हम लोग सीखेंगे ABCD और ये है हमारे कलर्स। ये है ग्रे, ये है ब्लू, ऑरेंज, पिंक, लाइट ब्लू, रेड और ये है पर्पल। आपको हमारा वीडियो पसंद आए तो लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। तो अब हम स्टार्ट करते हैं। A for apple, A for apple, B for ball, B for ball, C for cat, C for cat, D for dog, D for dog, E for egg, for egg, F for fish, F for fish, G for girl, G for girl, H for horse, H for horse, I for ink, I for ink, J for jug, J for jug, K for kite, K for kite, L for lion, L for lion, M for monkey, M for monkey, N for nest, N for nest, O for orange, O for orange, P for parrot, P for parrot, Q for quail, Q for quail, R for rose, R for rose, S for sun, S for sun, T for toy, T for toy, U for umbrella, U for umbrella, V for violin, V for violin, W for watch, W for watch, X for Christmas tree, X for Christmas tree, Y for yak, Y for yak. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. ओके बच्चों, A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for egg, F for fish, G for girl, H for horse, I for ink, J for jug, K for kite, L for lion, M for monkey, N for nest, O for orange, P for parrot, Q for quail, R for rose, S for sun, T for toy, U for umbrella, V for violin, W for watch, X for Christmas tree, Y for yak, Z for zebra. ओके बच्चों, थैंक यू।